What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Mod Mondays. Today we got a special package, well not really a special package, it's just another package for another Mod Monday. It's not going to be a performance upgrade, it's not going to be an aesthetic upgrade. Well, I guess it could be considered kind of an aesthetic, but you'll see when we open it. Yes, that is right guys, we got Ford Performance with struts. Aesthetic wise, for car meets, so let's go install these real quick. Let's get a cold start going. She's a screamer, that's for sure. So from what I remember seeing when I first bought these, you do a little bit of cutting on that side, and on the other side it's actually pretty easy just to install them. Warm enough to drive later, and we're getting a car wash. And here is template, line up this hole, and then you're gonna punch this hole out like this. Last one. Oh, damn. Alright, just gonna hand tighten because these are moving. fucking kidding me? Well, that's how you install hood struts in about an hour. Well, as per usual, I forgot to record an outro, but I think I kind of like this way a little bit better because it's a little more one-on-one. Plus, I'm still a little camera shy, if you guys can't tell in the videos. In the LA trip, I didn't really film too much talking or commentary when I should have, but anyway, we'll work on that later. The hood strut install was a very easy install. From beginner to expert is definitely a beginner mod that you can do. The only pain in the ass part was probably just cutting the battery cover. And honestly, it's probably just because I didn't have the right tools for that. I ended up just using a drill and just drilling a hole with a really large drill bit, and even then it still wasn't big enough, so I had to use scissors to cut even more. So other than that, hood strut's very easy. Just make sure you have those Allen wrenches to make sure those things are very secure. Ford Performance recommends 25 feet-pound of torque. I didn't do that personally. I just kind of did it by hand and a little bit of a quarter turn. From easy, medium, and hard, it is easy install, and it's a really good outcome too. The hood just looks a lot cooler when it's propped open without the middle hood latch. This is a mod I definitely recommend everyone that has the Mustang S550 to definitely go out and do. Once again, it is super easy. If I can do it, anyone can definitely do it. But anyways guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below, and leave a comment what the next mod should be, or if there's a specific mod you guys are interested in seeing. So thanks guys, peace out.